Good morning, respected principal, vice principal, teachers, and my dear friends. First of all, I wish you a very happy Independence Day. Today, we have all come here to commemorate our country's 78th Independence Day, and I wish you a very warm welcome. India became independent from the British rule on 15th August 1947. Since then, every year we are celebrating Independence Day. And this year, India completes 77 years of independence. We should always be proud to be an Indian and never forget the sacrifices of all the freedom fighters such as Mahatma Gandhi, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad, and millions of others whose names are not even known. But they fought to make India free from the British rule. Due to the sacrifices, struggle, and hard work, today we are enjoying our freedom. This great day teaches us the importance of patriotism and strengthens our unity irrespective of any differences. So, my dear friends, know the value of freedom, and this is not something obtained at once. We should always respect our freedom fighters and our freedom. Today we are dressed as Rani Lakshmi Bai. She was a brave queen of Jhansi in India who fought against the British. She led her army on horseback with a young son tied at her back. We shall surely our glory and salvation. Today we are dressed as Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. He is heading the Indian National Army. INA. Today we are dressed as Bhagat Singh. He is remembered for his courage and belief in justice. Organized protest and even went to jail for his actions. They may kill me, but they are still my ideas. Today we are dressed as Sarojini Naidu. She was known as the Nightingale of India because of her beautiful poems. She was a leader in India's fight for independence and the first woman president in Indian National Congress. Today we are dressed as Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Gandhiji is the father of nation and the victor called Bapu. He believed in non-violence, peaceful protest, and led many important movements like the Dandi March. Today we are dressed as Dinbandhu Chitranjan Das. He was a lawyer who defended many freedom fighters in court. He used his wealth to support the freedom movement and help the poor. Today we are dressed as Chandrasekhar Akbar Azad. He was a leader in the revolutionary Hindustan. In political association, he vowed never to be captured alive by the enemy and kept his promise until the end. The lotus is pink colored national flag of India. Banyan tree is the national tree of India. It lives for many years. It has hanging roots which look like rounds. Peacock is national bird of India. It has colorful and beautiful feathers. Mango is the national food of India. It is a seasonal fruit. Tiger is a national animal of India. It lives in a forest. The national flag is popularly known as Tiranga, which means many colors. Saffron stands for the strength and courage of the country. White indicates peace and truth with Ashoka Chakra, a 21st birthday in navy blue at its center. Green stands for fertility, growth, and the richness of the land. Now, Pavitra Chauta of class KG will present a piano recital on patriotic song. Full of Now we will sing Sare Sa Se Acha. This song emphasizes our love for our country, India, and instead the patriotism. ma'am to deliver her vote of thanks.
Good morning, everyone. Today's performance by the students of St. John's School, Newtown was nothing short of exceptional, showcasing their remarkable talent and the highest standards of excellence. This achievement is a clear reflection of the dedication, sincerity, and hard work of our entire teaching staff at St. John's School, Newtown. A special mention is deserved by all our teachers for their tireless efforts in nurturing our children so well. The flawless execution of today's performances is a testament to their commitment. The brilliant anchoring by some of our students who exhibited outstanding oratory skills deserves high praise. The beautiful decorations that we see today are the result of a joint effort by our teachers and the non-teaching staff. A special mention goes to our artist, Mr. Shudrakanti Ghosh, for the stunning paintings. We would also like to extend our deepest gratitude to the parents for their invaluable contribution in dressing up our adorable little freedom fighters. Your efforts in bringing history to life for our children help them gain a deeper understanding of the roles and sacrifices made during the freedom movement. This not only adds to the spirit of the celebration, but also instills in our children a sense of respect and pride for the heroes who shaped our nation's destiny. As we conclude our Independence Day celebrations, let us give a heartfelt round of applause to our students, teaching staff, parents, and non-teaching staff. May the spirit of patriotism take deep root in every child we prepare for the future of India. Thank you and namaskar. Now children, we need to give applause for everybody who was behind today.